Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to become a Bluehost affiliate. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Bluehost Affiliate Program Impact. Once you're now here, there are a lot of answers coming in from the internet, so we are going to be looking at one. We're going to be selecting bloggystools.com. Now, Bluehost notes that using impact and other radius will really import or impact your path to becoming a Bluehost affiliate. Over at this website, you can just read about it. They will give you more answers on becoming Bluehost affiliate. It's going to be a lengthy read, but it's going to be worth it if that is your path. If you select one of their hyperlinks, in here, you will have the option to sign up for their partnership program management platform. Select the link and then this time, wait for the website to finish loading. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.